Hey guys, it's me, Sai. This has been a long time coming. I'm just gonna keep it real with you guys. This is a 2 year span. This video, if you probably could tell by the video, I'm like 30 pounds lighter, like on the second clip. But if you follow me on Instagram, I've been talking about getting custom headlight built for my camper van. The reason why is because I don't have the greatest vision. I can't see on the road, and I actually get scared driving at night, and I try not to drive at night because I can't see. And having upgraded headlights like this really helped me and give me that confident level to drive at night. That's why I have all upgraded headlights on my daily driver as well as the convertible. Moving forward, I was planning on doing this build myself, but I found that I didn't have time for it, and the projectors that I bought for this headlight sat for like 2 years, you guys, and it was a bolt-on kit. I'm pretty sure I was capable of doing it because I've built headlights before for the Miata. But moving forward, I was hanging on the forum one day and I found this guy advertising building headlights, and I'm like, wait a minute, he's here in my city. So I reached out to him, and he had such amazing price. And when I first met him, the guy had such good vibe, honest guy. Turnaround was amazing, you guys. I think he had my headlights for like a week, not seriously, and he gave it back to me. So I'm definitely gonna go back for any custom work that I need done on any other vehicles. This is how they look. I tried to get daylight, but by the time I got home it was dark. They look amazing. They look factory, and I think I'm the only Ford Transit Connect with custom headlights like this. So I'm definitely gonna have to touch up the rest of the van so it looks newer, because it's kind of beat up. How am I have these nice headlights and the rest of the car all beat up, right? Shout out to Matt for this amazing job. I can't wait to get it installed and on the road to see how it actually holds up and perform. I'm gonna leave his information down below. This is not a collaboration video. I paid full price. I just want to get his work out there because such an amazing guy. You guys, thank you for watching, and I can't wait to do part 2 on installing these.